Go. He got it now. Yeah. Now he's trying to show up. You little showboat. She said showboating. He's a one-hander now.
No, he's a no-legger.
He think he a macaroni.
Is that the only trick you can do?
Do a wheelie. Oh, he did another trick. The left flanker. Beep the horn. Beep it good.
She doesn't want to beep.
You gotta push the button hard.
Yeah, you're not pushing the button hard.
There you go.
Now I gotta pull over to downshift it. Hold on.
You'll learn how to pull it up with your foot. I know it's hard.
Yeah, it's like.
It's almost too long for your foot. We'll figure something out where it'll be easier to get into gear.
Let's just make it shorter.
There you go. Did you get it? Perfect, dude. Perfect.
I'll put
Yeah,
it in
make
neutral.
it shorter.
Yeah, make it
Yeah.
shorter.
Here, I'm gonna back
And then you
up
can make
so
it-
I'm gonna get a good shift.
All
And
right.
you can make it easily changeable so that whenever I want to go in it, you can just put the thing on and it makes it longer.
There, it's
Yep.
in neutral. Here we go. Ready?
Ready.
Look at the dog. Stop following them. Look at him.
Mm-hmm.
Look at him.
Oh my God, it is.
Yeah, do you see it?
Yeah.
You see the dog again? Look. He already knows it's coming.
Mm-hmm. That cool dog. Oh, is she running out of gas? Mhm. Yeah, man, we put a little Harley backrest on her and a little pointed air cleaner off one of my old Harleys. Now he's out here thinking he's a Mac.
The big pointy thing on the side.
He loves it though.
The air cleaner looks cool.
Yeah, he loves it. He loves the air cleaner.
Look at the dog already.
So I said, all right, I'll put it on there for you. Look at him go. He's so happy. Mm-hmm. He was scared to ride it for the longest, but finally now he's
He would cry.
ready to go.
He would literally cry, guys.
He would too. He got it now though. He got it. Ain't gonna stall. Oh, it's stalled.
She said it's not gonna
Is it out of gas, dude? It started sputtering like it was out of gas.
It might be. I think I might have rode it out of gas.
Still gassing it.
It's still enough to get home. Shake it around. Shake it. Shake it. I'll go pull over a picture. Let me see in there. Yeah, there's some gas in there.
So should be enough to do like a few more laps and get home.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. Safe. Do you, Lexi, do you want to do another couple?
No,
Laps?
I'm good.
Are you
We
sure?
gotta make sure we have enough to get back home.
Oh, we'll have enough to get home, yeah.
Yeah, but
Yeah, it'll be good.
It's on me if we run on gas.
He's Colin said he's gonna push it all the way home if it runs out of gas. Look at that right there.
I'm gonna go sit down.
Harley Davidson. Got the little air cleaner on there, you know what I'm saying? There, give it some gas as you're doing it. There you go. There you go. Let it rev down before you drop it into gear.
I'm gonna let it idle for a second.
You're good. You're good.
Are you sure?
Yep, positive. Yep. zooming now. It's so good. You like that?
Yeah.
Fun?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, I know it is.
Did you hear I ripped it in the, I was in third and down there I ripped it in the fourth.
I heard it, man. I heard it. I heard you. You were flying.
Yeah, that's fun.
Mm-hmm.
It's just I have to be careful on first gear, so.
Yeah, first gear, you took off in it just fine.
Yeah.
But the shift lever is too long, I think. So if we can shorten that down, I think you'll be able to put it back into first by your foot. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, sometimes you gotta give it a little throttle. There you go. Perfect.
Sucks that I don't want to try to reach it down and try to.
No, don't do that yet. No, we'll fix the pedal first. It is awfully long for. Yeah, it should be shorter for sure. Huh?
Alright, this will be the last lap, and I'm gonna try to rip some gears.
All right, be careful, man.
Alright, I will.
Yeah, don't fall.
No,
And he's never gonna ride that thing ever again.
he won't fall. He'll be all right. No, don't. Oh, you in gear already?